at the warehouse, like always. It's like 8 in the morning. We're here to pack some items. My dad's selling a bunch of stuff like that every day. Bam, 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 bam. It's like 20 different things a day we gotta pack for him. Because, you know, as you can tell, we got the wall of models. He's been just listing, selling. We gotta pack. Yeah, we gotta pack more items, of course. So I don't think there's too many orders to pack today. We kind of just like consolidate what we have to pack for today because we have a lot to do. We'll pack what we need to tomorrow and so forth, of course. But today it's gonna be a busy day, I'm assuming, because we have a lot to move with this storage units. We still have a 10 by 30, 10 by 25, and a 10 by 20, completely full of Christmas lights. It looks like they're all full of Christmas lights, but they can be good money. All right, first package of many packed. Actually, I don't think I've packed too much today. There's like, you know, like 10 or 12 orders just for today. That's really all we focus on is what we got packed today.
Woo! Back in.
We'll focus on the other ones tomorrow.
Hi everybody.
Hi everybody. You know, I'm Storage Oxy Pirate.
Jerkhead.
I'm Storage Oxy Pirate.
I call myself Jerkhead, Michael. Jerkhead.
Is this supposed to be media, Dad? I don't think it's supposed to be media.
What is it?
This package.
No, I told you none of them are supposed to be media.
It's already silly. I didn't do anything.
I know, but you have to change it. It's because of the weight. What is the weight?
14 ounces.
Okay, see how you did that?
I did do that. I was just letting you know. Like, why you said it to me?
I know, but we discussed this, so you shouldn't have to.
You shouldn't have to like fix my issues because I put it on media mail. All right, y'all. Our daily burrito run, breakfast burrito run. We love our breakfast burritos. You already know I'm on my Segway. This thing's like fun. You just go, oh wait, oh snap. When there's like cracks in the ground, it makes it difficult.
I'm gonna reference that. Look, they're 30 bucks on eBay. You don't want to give me 18 bucks.
All right, so we're done packing. I packed all these myself. You know, I'm just a god packer.
Yourself? You're just a god?
I'm just a god packer. I'm just like that.
Is a little...
I packed like, I think there's like 12 packages, real quick. All right, time to unload.
So if we get in a battle and I kill you right now, you're going to Valhalla? Because gods go to Valhalla when they die in battle, right? Isn't that the way it works?
I don't really know at all, but I guess so.
That's how it is for Thor.
Time to unload this whole trailer, here to there.
Here to there.
Here to there, you know. Just back and forth, back and forth. Just to go drive an hour, what? Up.
We got an hour and 20 minute drive to pick up a whole nother load.
And then come back with it for an hour and 20 drive, then go back and forth, and it's a fun day. All right, trailer emptied, bam, emptied over here. You can see, I'm pretty sure, gave a good little clip of it, but this is all full now. Look at that, bam. That was all in the trailer. We gotta do it again, and then again. All right, after another hour and a half car ride, we're at Elk Grove, pick up a storage unit. Tried to probably get half of it, you know, but we have a 10 by 30, 10 by 25, and a 10 by 20. Pretty crazy stuff.
Can I ask one favor? Don't freaking hit my door when you get out.
Oh, all right, I got it. All right, let's get I'm not gonna record too much of the unit, you know, it's all Christmas lights. I'll give you guys a little more footage, but I'll show you guys like before we start packing and show this trailer after. All right, we're getting started. Fill up the trailer. This is what we gotta work with. Look at all of these. These are all candy canes. Literally just pre-lit candy canes.
Count that one little section.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 16 times 5.
15 times 5. That's 50.
70 or 85.
75. Yeah.
Oh, yep, 75. I was right.
Right?
Yeah. Yep. And how much do you think you'll sell them for?
That's 75, and then that's 75 is 150. And then what if it's like 75 and 75 is 300? So there's like probably like another 700 of them right there.
Sell them for each is $5.
Michael.
At least.
Michael. These mother biscuits right here, just like this. This one piece, you open it up. Let me show you. This is a 2-part set, 5 and 5, and you can connect them so you can make as many strands as you want. These are $38 a piece.
Do the math. You guys do the math in the comments. Come on, let us know. We make some good money. As long as we can get good buyers, of course. It only sells for what people are willing to actually pay for it, right?
Let's just say we had 1,000 of them, Michael. Let's just go like this. Let's just say I'm gonna be willing to get, by the time we finish the other 2 units, we do the math, because I think there's like 200 already at the warehouse.
Yep.
Let's just say 1,000 times 20. That's about the math we can get on just the candy canes. If we just blew them out 20 bucks, I think 20 bucks is pretty reasonable.
That's pretty reasonable price. Come on, how much do you guys pay for your Christmas lights and stuff? All right, we're pretty much done. The trailer was like full. What did that take us, like 45 minutes?
Kind of.
It's like,
not quite, well, we're not quite done.
it's like pretty much full, you know. I'm just gonna show you guys now. We're done. Look at that big old hole.
Below if you think you know who did the most work here.
Big old hole. Obviously Stixx, come on. Big old hole here now. That was quick, you know. Second load out of like many loads we gotta do. But we are at the warehouse. I'm gonna be packing. He's just sitting there. We'll see what we can. This guy, he's just sitting there. He's on his phone. He's on his phone. I'm about to go pack for him, of course.
For us.
For us. For us. Ooh, the sun's in my eyes. He's gonna unload this truck all by himself. He's got it. All right, a little behind the scenes eBay. Look at this. We got 20 different orders to pack. All right, probably won't.
Could you believe like probably, just come out here, look at this. Imagine you're in 1932 in your 32 Ford pickup truck and you thought this would have been a cool idea. You had like a stack of hay you parked up against. It didn't take much to make that. This came only out a couple years ago, right, where you could do this. That's like the coolest thing.
It's the coolest thing.
I know, why did it take them so long?
Yeah. All right, that's a wrap. We're out of here. We're done for the day finally. Long day we had. It was a long day we had. Pretty like easy though. It's pretty long, but it was simple. We just had to move some storages. One storage so far. Did a bunch of packing. Pretty simple day. I didn't get the most footage for you guys. I'm sorry. I just gave you guys a little updates, but it wasn't too exciting. We were just moving a bunch of lights and stuff and packing. But thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it, especially if you watch to the end. I always say that, you know.
You made it to the end.
You made it to the end.
One thing.
I love you. Put a heart in the comment if you made it to the end. Peace out.